Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save your to-do list to a PDF file on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer. Access to Microsoft Office 365 can be for work, school, or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now navigate to Office 365. Make sure you are signed into the account. Let's go to to-do list. Click on a list that we have been working on in the previous tutorials. To now save this, we will now need to go to the three dots next to the list itself. And now go to print list, print steps, print notes, click on print. And now before we were to print, what we can do is we can save as PDF, save that to the desktop, minimize Safari for the moment, go to the desktop, and there we see Computer Science Videos, video ideas, to-do.pdf. Double click on this, it should open up within preview, and there we go. We have the to-do list saved to our computer, so we can now quit preview. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.